Hello guys, this is Rico, and today I'm trying to get the RB Battles badge, which is, this RB Battle exclusive thing. So, yeah. And by the way, this game is called Royale, and yeah, I'm getting the badge. So 1v1 roblox battle. I'm pretty sure, right? Play now? Okay. Maybe. Never played this game before. Never done this thing. Having troubles? Match starting, okay. Preparing. Loading screens are injured is watching you. Preparing. Seeing the command jokes. No idea what this means. Yummy likes snug jammies. Okay, preparing. I'm playing it once trying to look for a sword and it just keep on loading for like 10 minutes. I hope this is not the same. By the way, never played this game, never played Fortnite or anything, so I suck at this.
Only I did.
Yeah, but Adam, my friend, is also playing, so maybe he can help me out. And it's loading forever. Aim for the head, watch it splat. Oh my god. Okay. If this takes more than 5 minutes, actually more than 3 minutes or 2 minutes, I don't know, okay, when I decide. So I'm gonna start video all over and do something else. It's just like start when it's loading. It's only 1 minute and 15 minutes in the video. What? Oh, I can hear you. Can you say a bit louder?
And if you didn't see other videos about like the badges, how do you get them, go ahead and click on them.
Technically, I did like other badges video, but I only did one, which is the soccer one, which is like Super Striker videos, and yeah. Well, I need this video to load. It's been taking forever. Oh my god. That's even fun to do this. Wait. Is it what? Okay. If it hits the 3-minute mark, I'm resetting this thing. 50, 51, 52, 53 seconds, 54 seconds, 55 seconds, 56 seconds, 7, 58, 59, 60. Okay, let me say this. Fine. So, it's on Roblox, royale. Open it again. Maybe it's a glitch and it's loading forever. Okay. Let's try again. 1v1, 1v1. Then I press battle. I'm missing the iron. No, I don't want to purchase solo. Duo, round, 1v1 battle royale. Yeah, I want RB battles one. Okay, maybe play now. Okay. Wait, maybe you have to invite people to play. Wait. Adam, can you go to your house and get and join my game? Wait, actually, can I send my friend request? Oh, okay, got it.
Yeah.
Okay. It's just 2 players. Okay, preparing.
Yeah, and if Rico dies, then we switch.
Oh, I get 2 turns. If I don't do this the first round. Okay, so how do you do this? No idea how to play this. No, don't know any controllings.
Just jump out and
I'll do it. Now, so I'm going to this temple thing. No good, no idea how to do this.
Last time I did the healings, it didn't work.
Okay, so this. Ooh, I got legendary bush disguise. Acid bomb, bust a move bomb, tactile rifle. Okay, that's decent.
Yeah.
For legendary bush, I'm excited. Pistol, okay. That's pretty bad. Okay. Cop jar, SMG, shotgun. Let's take off everything. Wait, actually, where's my inventory? Can I see my inventory? How do I see my inventory? Do you press the E button? Where's the inventory button? What? Alt? Okay, Alt. So Alt for inventory.
Yeah, if you want to scroll out this one of those ones, just like.
Okay, so I'll just do this one. Where's my legendary bush? How do I equip my legendary bush? Okay, no idea how to play this game. Where's the legendary bush? I remember I have a legendary bush. SMG. Oh, never mind.
Right.
Oh, so then, okay.
I fight him.
Okay, I don't want this. Okay, now I kind of get what I'm trying to do. Tactical rifle. I mean,
the storm is coming in.
Okay, bye. So I guess my main will first do how to equip this thing. I really want to try the thing. Using an item. Okay, this could be epic.
Get your.
Okay.
No, not your.
What?
Your.
What do you mean my AR? This one?
No.
Yeah. This one?
No.
Who's such a player? I'm just in this bush. I'm just a normal bush. Just a normal bush. Is that person right there?
No.
I'm just
the other side.
I'm just a normal bush. Don't mind me.
Come on. There's a bridge.
Oh, okay. Is this the one? Oh, I think this is the bridge one. Oh my god. Okay. I'm going to go to get the other side. The storm is like chasing me.
Yeah, the bridge is there.
Okay. If you say so. So, I don't want to go there. I want to wait for him to come. Is this him? Is it like a flamingo disguise or something?
No.
It should be.
Oh, he's right there.
Yes?
Yeah.
Wait,
He got the badge.
Oh my god, I already got a badge. It's like 10 seconds.
How about we just play another round for fun?
Yeah, sure. I already have the badge. Oh my god. Either my gun's OP or that guy's has low health. Okay, the legendary bush worked pretty good. Okay, so first let me, how do I exit this thing? Do I leave it?
Return to menu.
Where's the return to menu button? Oh. Okay, I returned to menu. Okay. So, once you get the badge, which is like you win one round of the Islands Royale. So once you get the badge, you go to the games, the game thing. Press games, you go to RB Battle, which is an up and coming. You haven't really released yet, I don't know why. So you can really search it up. So you just press the RB Battle button, and press it. Then you can put the badges in there. So after you put the badges in it, I just want to play for fun. Not that I actually know what to do. Wait, do you want to play first?
No.
Sure. Abs is what he calls himself, the god at this. But I got the bush. I always love the bush. I mean, this really looks so cool. I mean, to like sneak up against these people. This is legendary, but I feel like I get it every time. Okay. So basically, once you get into RB battles, you go to just speed thing. Okay. So basically, how you do it, you just go to the event badges button, which is that's not that. It's the I'll show you after I go the whole circle back. So yeah, you go to the event badges, and then you enter in, and your scroll faster per second. And then I'll put the badge inside it. And that's how you get and put the badges in for the fourth badges, which is Islands Royale badge. So if you haven't seen it, then check it out. Check my first video on how to get the soccer one, the Super Striker League. And yeah, so now I'm just gonna play some Islands Royale just for fun. Actually, I don't think we have time. Do you think we can just play right now?
Yeah, I think I can do.
Can I play first? Okay, it's so fun. Choose a normal round. Okay, so now Alan's playing.
Hi guys, I'm gonna play. So, alright guys, I'm gonna log in. Yeah.
I'm just looking at Adam's screen right now, and he's just playing. Wait, you doing RB battles again?
Yeah.
Oh.
I wanna 1v1 someone.
Are you sure you want RB battles? You're like, oh, okay. Just
Yeah,
put it on the table.
Alright, guys.
So, I hope it's a noob like me. I feel like it's all noobs. Like people that never played this game. Just like come here. No, I think you should do the RB battle because these are all the noobs. Okay. Ooh, the temple. Okay. Glide to the temple. Okay. It glides through the window, yeah. Actually, there's some dudes here, okay. I feel like this temple has so many god stuff. I mean, don't only pick stuff you really need. If you just pick everything, it's gonna be really unorganized. Ooh, what's a weird crystal you got? You got a red crystal. Get a bandage.
Oh, that's good. I need that.
Yeah, get a potion too. And a bandage. Get everything. I mean, get a bandage. It's gonna help you.
Need that.
Also get a bandage so you can actually heal up.
Yeah.
Get a potion too. Silence pistol. You want pistol? Don't get a pistol, by the way. Hey, you got some good guns. Get a potion. Some potion. Yeah, get a golf jar.
Yeah. I need that.
Get a golf jar. The golf jar are really helpful. It's really OP. Okay, whatever you want.
What does even this do?
I don't know. Wait, hold it. Use an item. Oh, it teleports
it's a
you.
rift. I'm gonna go there.
Okay. Ooh, we got a teleport thing. What are you doing? Go forward.
Yeah, I'm going on the rift.
But why are you stopping all the time? Just keep on going. Yeah, go to the other side. Actually, jump on the bridge. Jump on the bridge so you can like snipe from. Okay, never mind. Okay, just find him from here, and yeah. So he's actually building, and basically I never build.
I need to change this controls a little bit.
Oh, it's not like we're actually gonna play it.
Yeah.
But you can play this. I mean, like, oh my god. What are you doing? Shoot. Just go after players. Probably a huge noob. You should just go into the house and wait for the storm to close in. He's probably like all the way in a weird area right now. 2 more minutes, by the way. You gotta kill him fast because the video's about to end.
Where is he?
What? It's not he's attacking you. Actually, yes.
Where?
I don't know. You should just like what I did. Just like wait for him to come. You're in the storm.
I'm in the storm.
I was like, how can he attack you?
Yeah. I think so. Oh, that's him. No, that's me.
Because you building a real structure. Yeah. Just climb up and maybe see if there's somebody.
That's someone.
Then use it. What? He's probably left there. Did you?
No, that's not me.
No, I mean, like, he probably left there. He built it. I mean, is he still in it?
Yeah.
Just go on the jump pad. Yeah. Just a jump pad. Yeah. That's shooting like midair. Just get like the SMG. Is this SMG or is this a shotgun? Just get the SMG.
Fair.
Why are you going forward? Why are you going forward while you're jumping? Okay. Comment down below who's better. Comment Team Rico or Team Adam. Oh my god. I'm pretty sure I'm better. And that will be the end of the video so far. So be sure to check out my channel, subscribe to it, and tell all your friends about this. And also, if you're looking for RP battles, swords, and badges and stuff, be sure to subscribe and then you know all the weird sword is. So bye guys. I'm gonna end the video. Bye bye.